Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to customize search bar Wix. So if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply get started using my link in the description down below. So now guys, first thing that you will do is simply click on the site over here at the top and just simply select your site. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on edit site over here and it will redirect you to the Wix website editor. And from here guys, in order for you to customize your search bar, you just go ahead and click on the search bar over here or the Wix site search. So guys, if you don't have this, you can just simply go ahead and go to add apps over here. And from here, just search for Wix site search. And you should be able to add it as you can see over here. And just simply click on add and click on open and it will automatically add. And from here, you will have this tab right away. So from here, you can click on manage settings. So from here, you should be able to choose here on which pages are already showing. And as you can see, when I toggle a specific one, it will automatically show. And you can also go for reorder, which from here you should be able to reorder the pages. So let's say I'm gonna go for products and services, and from here I can put the services into the first one. And from here you should be able to see the display as well. From here you pretty much have everything that you need. So from here you can change the placeholder text, which is this one, and you can enable the all tab, so it will be depending on you. So as you can see, we have the all, we have the service and products. So you can disable this. And from here, you can change the search result. And as you can see, when I click on this one, it will change over here. When I click on this one, it will change. So now from here, just simply go ahead and go to layout. And from here, you pretty much have a freedom to choose the layout of your search. And from here, you can expand the number of the result page. And down below, you can change the design as well. So from here, you will have multiple categories. You can change the design for search bar, result menu, and search result and buttons. And that's pretty much it. Just simply go ahead and select your search and click on settings over here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.